In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share calendars in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're coordinating schedules with your team or simply keeping family members in the loop, sharing your calendar can be an incredibly useful tool. Let's take it step by step to ensure you're comfortable with the process. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official Microsoft website. Once you're in, go to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a sign in option. Click on it. This step is crucial because you need to be logged into your account to manage and share calendars. Next, enter your email and password. Be sure these are the correct credentials for the account associated with the calendar you're looking to share. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself at the main Outlook interface. Here you'll want to focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen and find the calendar icon. Clicking on this will redirect you to the calendar section of Outlook, setting the stage for our next steps. Now, in the grid view of your calendar, look for the option that says Share Calendar. Clicking on it will provide you with a new set of options. It might look a bit overwhelming if you haven't done this before, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. All you have to do here is select which calendar you'd like to share. Outlook often provides you with multiple calendar options such as personal, work, or even one you've set aside for activities like exercise. Choose the one that fits your needs by clicking on it. With your desired calendar selected, it's time to decide who you want to share it with. There will be a text box labelled Invite Someone. Click into that box and type in the email address of the individual with whom you wish to share your calendar. Be sure to double check the email address for any typos. Accuracy here is key, so your recipient receives the invitation. Once the email address is entered correctly, you're ready to share. You'll see a share button ready to be clicked. With one simple click, the recipient will receive an email letting them know you've shared your calendar with them. They can then choose to accept or decline the invitation. That's it, you've just successfully shared your calendar in Microsoft Outlook. This handy feature helps you keep communication open and schedules aligned, making coordination a breeze. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Thanks for watching.